In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a component in Figma. Whether you're a design enthusiast or a seasoned professional, understanding how to efficiently resize components can greatly enhance your workflow. Figma, as a collaborative interface design tool, offers many features that make designing seamless and enjoyable. So let's get started. First, head over to Figma's website. If this is your first visit, Figma is a browser-based tool, so you won't need to download any software, making it easily accessible. Once you're on the Figma homepage, locate the Login button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your login credentials to access your workspace. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy and quick to sign up. Logging in allows you to access your projects and design components swiftly. Upon logging in, you'll land on the Figma homepage. This is your central hub where all your design files are organized. From here, navigate to one of your existing projects by clicking on it. This will bring up your design files where your components live. Now, in your design file, identify the specific component you intend to resize. For many designers, components are fundamental units in Figma that allow for reusable part sets, thus promoting design consistency. Click on the component you wish to work with. It might be a button, illustration, or any other design element you've standardized for reuse. Next, focus on the icon within your component. It's usually an integral part. Click on it to select it. Making sure you're working with the exact element ensures that your resizing efforts are efficient and precise, maintaining the intended design alignment and proportions. Finally, here's the resizing magic. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, click and drag one of the corners of the component. Holding Shift ensures that your component scales proportionally. This is crucial in keeping the visual hierarchy and aspect ratio intact, ensuring design consistency and professional aesthetics across your project. Drag it to the desired size and release the mouse button, and then release Shift. By following these steps, you'll have successfully resized a component in Figma while maintaining its aspect ratio. Whether you're adjusting for a new screen size, tweaking for a presentation, or simply exploring design variations, resizing components efficiently can save you time and effort. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it informative and straightforward. Make sure to apply these steps in your next design session and explore the creative possibilities Figma has to offer. Until next time, happy designing.